How does the sink? This switch doesn't work. And so it's in spray mode only. And I see a lot of corrosion. This may need to be torn apart and cleaned or replaced.
Right.
Because you can't get it, it's not working. And so I would be addressing this as well as the other stuff that we got. Does the garbage disposal work? Does the light work? It works. Sometimes there's a lot of debris in there from, I don't know, the painter, the cleaners, they drop something in there. And so you may have to clean that out.
We do a deodorizing of the garbage
Yeah, just
disposal
make
as
sure
part
it's
of our
working.
package,
Also, just make sure nothing's leaking underneath here as well.
Right.
which we'll figure out anyway with
Yeah,
the E-truck.
because you'll be
Yes.
working on that. But also make sure it's nothing's leaking.
Right.
Other than that, kitchen looks good. And we'll just let the dishwasher run for a little bit.
Okay.
And we'll continue. Lights. Alright, so this is the laundry room.
Yep.
Light works. Check the cabinets. Looks like some extra light bulbs. Those we can leave just fine.
Yep.
This doesn't look great.
Yep.
All the paint has peeled.
Yeah, so would you want that repainted?
I would probably, again, we didn't do the work here, but if we did, I would probably say we need to touch this up.
Okay.
At least this area.
Okay.
It's inside a cabinet. It's in the laundry room. It's probably not a big deal, but you can make that look better.
Oh, yes.
For sure.
Right.
Okay? Are the washer connections leaking?
Okay.
Make sure that it's turned off. And everything is good there. Dryer vent, I do like to really make sure that y'all are gonna be cleaning them out.
Yeah.
That's
Right.
perfect.
Yep.
But sometimes I like to put like a bag in here.
Okay.
Just, or they close it off.
Yep.
Just make sure
Nothing comes-
We're
nothing
gonna
comes
have to
in.
definitely make sure it's external, because
Not a
we've cleaned
big
some
deal.
that were blocked
Yes.
with a
Yeah.
plastic bag.
Yeah.
So we'll make sure to close it off on the exterior.
Yeah, just
of it.
close it off, just so you don't have like rodents or something that comes in.
Okay.
One thing I am noticing that we're sending in here,
Flickering.
this light's flickering.
Yeah.
Would change it.
And so this light bulb needs to be replaced,
Yep.
okay?
Yep.
It works, but it's not
Not
right.
right. I was gonna ask you about that, but yeah, makes sense.
Looks like a little closet. There's no light in here, so I actually don't know what this light switch goes to. Or is that to the garage? That may go to the garage. We'll check it in here in a second. Again, closet rod, it's there, no obvious damage, everything looks good.
Okay.
And of course, is it shut? Perfect.
So would you want like extra filters in here?
You could, exactly.
Okay.
It'd be perfect in here, perfect right there, or if it fits in the AC closet, put it there.
Okay.
I'm not too picky, I just wanna.
Out of sight, but available.
Yes.
Easy
Yeah,
to find.
yeah.
And in some places, they're going to run across it and not go, oh, that's what.
Yeah. Again, exterior door, peephole. These are the flip locks we like,
Okay.
and deadbolt. This deadbolt actually does not work.
Okay.
It needs adjustment, and so that's another ticket item that we need to fix.
Okay.
Go outside. Is this the garage door? It is. Okay.